What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and today we're going to be going over how to use a tire plug kit. Now this kit that I have right here, I bought it on Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will put a link in the description down below so you can get the same kit that I have. This kit comes with step-by-step instructions. It's really easy to do. You just gotta follow the instructions and you need some basic tools for the job. First thing you want to do is you want to remove whatever's on your tire, whether it's a nail, whether it's a screw, whatever you might have gotten in your tire. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. You guys can see, you guys can hear the air coming out. Next thing we want to do, we have a reamer. This is the reamer. You want to go ahead and slide the reamer tool in and out of your tire puncture multiple times to roughen and clean the inside of the hole. So we're gonna insert the reamer and we're gonna go in and out multiple times. You wanna do this a couple times. There you go. We're gonna remove a plug from the clear backing from in here, and then we're gonna thread it halfway through the eye of the plug and needle. So we're gonna thread it to this hole halfway. Then we're gonna coat the middle section of the tire plug with the plug bond that came with the package. You guys can see right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, next step, with the plug center in the eye of the needle, like it is right now, we're gonna start pushing the plugger tool into your hole, and we're gonna stop pushing when the plug is 2/3 of the way into the hole. Then we're gonna start pushing in. Okay. You guys can see it's 2/3 in. Then we're gonna pull the plugger tool straight out the tire with a rapid motion, leaving the tire plug behind. We don't want to twist the needle. So once we put it in 2/3, we're just gonna put with a rapid motion, and that's gonna leave the plug inside the tire. Just like that. Now that we have the plug inside the tire, we're gonna go ahead and inflate the tire. I just want to show you guys this tire inflator that I have. I got it from Amazon. It works with your cigarette plug in your car if you have one. It's pretty simple, and you set the tire pressure to whatever you want here and just put it on your tires. It is recommended that you guys look at the tire pressure on your car. So if you come to your front door, you should have your tire pressure. For my rear tire, it's 35 psi. That's what I'm gonna set my tire inflator to. Right? Once we know the pressure we have to do, 35 psi, we're gonna set our inflator to 35 psi. 35 psi, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on the tire. It took my little inflator here about probably close to 10 minutes, but I would rather have one of these. Even if it takes them a while to inflate your tire. This is a truck, it's an F-150. 10 minutes, if I'm stranded on the side of the road, it's not that bad. If I can inflate my tire and get home or work. So last thing we want to do, I'm gonna be using my Gerber one-handed tool. I will put a link in the description for it. I love these tools. They're really good. We want to cut off the excess plug. And you want to spray some water. Make sure you don't have any air leaking. If you don't see any air bubbles, that means your plug worked perfectly. That is all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will link in the description the tire plug kit that I bought, and also the inflator that you can use with your car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.